Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Drew. Today we're going to continue our work on the hall tree, and what we're going to do today is we're going to patch the pocket screw holes. We're going to let that dry over a day or so, and then we'll sand it, and then we'll put on the face frame, touch that up, and then we'll be ready for priming and then final painting. So stay tuned for those episodes. So what we'll be using today is this Easy Sand 90 joint compound, and it's typically drywall. I like this better than the pre-mixed ones because you can set the consistency of the batter to be however you want. I like it like a nice thick pancake batter. We've got some water and we've got a pan we're going to mix it in. So I'll go ahead and mix up everything, and then we'll start patching the base of the hall tree. So you can see this is what it looks like. We have the powder poured into the bin, and now we're going to add some water, and then we're going to mix it up. It's always best to add water as you need it initially, just get it mixed up. If I added too much water, I can always go back and add more powder, which is one of the reasons I like this version of the drywall compound. You can see it's still a bit thick. I wanted a bit smoother consistency than this. So I may have to add a little bit more water. I'll go ahead and do that just a little bit, really not a whole lot. All right, so you get the idea. I'll continue to mix this, and then I'll show you what it's going to be like when it's completed, and then we'll start patching up the holes. Okay, as you can see, this is the consistency I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and start patching up these holes. Some up on the top here. We have 2 sets on this. All right, so we scooped up a bunch on our trowel here. We'll go ahead and fill this up. It's okay if there's a little bit extra, because we're going to take sandpaper and we're going to sand off any extra and make it very smooth. You can see the top has been filled, and now we'll work on these 2 sides here. All right, this side is completed. Now we'll go ahead and we'll finish the rest. You've seen how we do it, and we'll take a look at it once it's completed. All right, we're finishing up our last holes here. As you can see, we tend to leave a little bit extra. As I said, this stuff is sandable, so you can see all our holes are filled. So the next step after this is we're going to clean up, and then we'll look at putting on the face frame, which will go on the outside of here and give it a more finished look. And then we'll probably come back. Well, we're going to sand first before we do that. And then we're going to come back and we're going to spackle again any seams that the face frame is going to have to make it look like one complete unit. So stay tuned for that episode, and if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.